she's so gorgeous. Where's your tail, Mom? Oh, good. Mamas, it's okay, honey. Where's your pretty babies? Oh, wow. Look at that belly. Let me rub that belly. That's a fat old belly. Who else do we have over here wandering, huh? Another little kid. You're just a runt, huh? Here. Oh, look at the difference in size. Well, I guess not too bad. Look at the faces though, so cute. Hello, kitties. Hello, kitties. Kitties. Here, can I get your pictures, huh? No. Hey, mamas. It's okay, honey. Yes. Why are you bugging me, huh? Yeah, she doesn't. She's scared still. Pretty girl. Oh. Sorry. Here, I'm gonna put your babies in here with you. Auntie's not gonna hurt them, I promise. Here we go. That's a good mamas, yes. Now they have a blanket in there. Oh, cool. Thank you. Kitty, kitty! Look up here, kitty.